Hi guys, and welcome back to the video series on Fusion 360 in 5 minutes or less. So in this video we will learn two things. One is how to rename a folder, and secondly how to draw sketches in Fusion 360. So if you open the data panel, you can see that in my previous video uh, I wanted to name my project F360 in 5 minutes, but I ended up naming it F350 in 5 minutes. So I'm going to right click and click on rename. So I'm going to go here and say 360 in 5 minutes. Now that it's renamed, I'll go inside this and I created a folder called video 0. I'm going to rename that and call it sketching. I'm going to go into sketching and close the data panel. So now we have successfully learned how to rename a folder. Now let's learn how to sketch. Sketching is the most fundamental aspect of any design process. So if you look here in the create drop down, you can see the create sketch icon, the option here. Just click on that and you will find three planes. Choose any of the planes and Fusion 360 will orient according to that. So now you can note you would notice that your toolbar has changed. So you can choose anything like a circle. Click here and then give it a dimension of say 120 millimeters. And then there are many ways to choose a tool. You can directly choose it using a shortcut. Like not all have shortcuts. You can assign shortcuts obviously, but the line tool has a shortcut called L, and the center diameter circle has C, and the other kinds of circle do not have shortcuts. And we also have these rectangles. I will choose the center rectangle and let's go here, and then so I will choose the length to be 200 mm, and by hitting tab on the keyboard I can move to the other side, and then I'll choose this length, which is the width, to be 150 mm, and then hit enter. Now I can create another. I would like to show you another thing. Just create another circle here, anywhere here, and then this is the concentric. So I will say that this circle is concentric to this one, so it automatically moves here. And this is called a constraint. The concentric constraint tells that this circle and this circle should be having the same center. That is why the circle from here moved here. And now yeah, and if I say I want this circle to equal to this circle without giving this any dimension, I'll just go here to the equal constraint and click on this, and then I'll click on this circle. So you can see that it has merged with this because they both are equal. So I'm going to press Ctrl Z on the keyboard to get it back to where it was, and then I'm going to finish my sketch. So it is up to you to experiment with the other sketch tools and practice more so that you get better at it. And we'll go to the home view and just save our file. We'll call it sketching1, and then it's already in F360 into sketching, and then we'll save it. So thanks for watching. Let's move on to the next video.